noon tonight, the Colorado Supreme Court publicly censured Arapahoe County District Court Judge Natalie T. Chase. The court order details one situation in which Judge Chase used the N-word multiple times to the co-worker. The court determined that Chase violated 4 separate judicial rules, concluding she undermined confidence in the judiciary. The Supreme Court has accepted Chase's resignation. As the state
I guess, with Donald Trump being in office, it kind of emboldened people who are racist to just come out with their racism. I don't know. I mean, that's sometimes how I think. I just think that sometimes, when people think they have an outlet to just be a scumbag, they'll take it and run with it. Never mind what it costs you. Never mind that, you are going to fall. As with this woman right here. Okay. Colorado judge resigns after using N-word multiple times and using racially insensitive language. A Colorado judge who was censured by the state Supreme Court after being accused of using racist language with a co-worker has resigned. The Colorado Supreme Court said Arapahoe County District Court Judge Natalie T. Chase used the N-word multiple times with a co-worker and was racially insensitive on many occasions, according to court documents, recommending discipline for Chase and public censure from the court. The documents detail a 2020 incident in which Chase, a former law clerk, and a family court facilitator were driving back to work after attending an event in Pueblo, Colorado. Judge Chase is white, and the family court facilitator is black. Oh boy. The documents read, on the way back from the Pueblo, Judge Chase asked the family court facilitator questions about why black people can use the N-word but not white people, and whether it was different if the N-word is said with an ER or an A at the end of the word. Oh boy. I feel I have to keep doing this. And I'm going to keep just trying to educate, I'm just going to put it out there. So that word, N-I-G-G-A, that's a word term of endearment among N-I-G-G-A is a term of endearment among urban blacks of street culture. Okay? Blacks in the hood. Not every black person uses that word. Okay? It's a term of endearment. It's kind of like women who are free-spirited in nature and they call each other, hey bitch, hey ho. Women who are of rough backgrounds. All right? It's a term of endearment among blacks of urban culture, urban street culture. That's basically it. Kind of picture it as, let's say a Jewish person, okay, was oppressed by, we know that they were oppressed by the Nazis, and the Nazis were German, and let's say they were called a racial slur, and they took that as a term of endearment among themselves, right? And then you have a German person who uses that same word and they get offended. It's just like that. It's just like that. It's just like that. Okay? And it's funny how they would ask these questions, but they would never try this crap, okay, with Asians or Jews, because they know that's a career ender. That's a social death right there. During the conversation, Judge Chase used the full N-word a number of times, the documents state. The facilitator was uncomfortable and felt angry and hurt by the conversation. According to the documents, she has explained that Judge Chase's use of the full N-word was like a stab through my heart each time, but didn't feel comfortable sharing her discomfort or emotions with Chase due to fear of retaliation. She is a judge, and she could always say, "Oh, stop being sensitive." Following this incident, Chase made other derogatory statements, including tell coworkers, some of whom were black, that she would be boycotting the Super Bowl because she objected to the NFL players who were kneeling during the national anthem in protest of police brutality against black people, documents read. So you as a judge can't understand that there have been cases of police brutality, that cops were in the wrong, that cops have, treated black suspects differently than white suspects? Following the death of George Floyd, who died in Minneapolis, Minnesota in 2020 after former police officer Derek Chauvin kneeled on his neck, Chase also voiced her opinion on subsequent Black Lives Matter protests that took place across the U.S. Oh boy. When two black court employees were discussing the protests while in Judge Chase's courtroom, she told them some of her opinions regarding the racial justice issues and asked one employee some questions about Black Lives Matter movement. The employee tried to explain the Black Lives Matter movement, and Chase stated that she believes all lives matter. According to the documents, Judge Chase also stated that the conduct of police officer in George Floyd matter should be investigated. Several other incidents in which Chase spoke to or treated coworkers inappropriately are listed in the court documents, including one incident when she referred to another judge as a FNB while speaking to a clerk. The court said the judge violated 4 separate judicial rules and therefore undermined the confidence in the judiciary. The Colorado Commission on Judicial Discipline case recommended the court publicly censor or condemn Chase, and the court asked for her resignation. Chase maintained that she did not intend any racial animus, but did acknowledge that her statements violated a rule which requires a judge to act in a manner that promotes public confidence in the judiciary. She acknowledged that her use of the N-word does not promote public confidence in the judiciary and creates the appearance of impropriety. Chase submitted her resignation, and the Colorado Supreme Court has accepted it, CBS Denver reports. I just can't. Just the stupidity of racism and asking those questions, and wow. Just the stupidity, man. Just the blatant stupidity of the ignorance. But she showed her true colors. And I prefer that you show your true colors when you because then you know how to deal with people accordingly. Okay? Like I said, I just just stupid people, man. Stupid people. But you're going to see this more and more and more. There are going to be more of these racist people coming out the closet. Tell me what you think about the story. Do you think that she was honestly asking a question, or she was just being plain stupid as a judge? All right. Like, share, comment, and subscribe later.